Meenakshi Lekhi ma'am as a guest of honor at this event. Ma'am, I request you to address the gathering and share your thoughts on our project.
Thank you very much, His Excellency Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Shri Anil Baijal our in-house in charge Dharmendra ji and Singla ji, and all the members who are here from NDMC, everybody who has worked for these projects. Let me first congratulate everyone. And this was one project which was very, very dear to the Prime Minister. And Honorable Prime Minister wanted cities to be turning smart. Now I think the part of smartness is how to implement what we wish to implement, whether it's collection of garbage or it's being informed throughout. And that is what this project has brought. It is a constant monitoring and constant delivery of services. Services will not be achievable until unless we keep a track of what service we are providing and what's really happening on the ground. And through this process, whether it's electricity meters or it's garbage collection or it's water management or it's environmental challenges, we are monitoring everything from traffic to movement. I'm really, really impressed, and I think they must have used IoT or blockchain technology to achieve this, and this blockchain technology is the way forward. I have been wanting to implement something else, but now I'll speak to Dharmenji about it. But I'm very, very happy that we've made a beginning as compared to several other smart cities. I think New Delhi needs to stay ahead of every other smart city for the simple reason we are the capital city. And since we are the capital city, our responsibilities are also immense. And the constant monitoring of our action is also far more than anybody else. So I have been associated with this project from the very beginning. I remember the time when MOUD chartered Smart Cities project, and since NDMC falls under Home Ministry, this project we could not have applied for. And I remember I stood in the parliament and sought the intervention that this is a capital city and this needs to be the smartest possible city in the country. And so please allow us to participate, and we would like to work. And I'm very happy that all the financing and funding that central government has provided for smart cities and NDMC also under the aegis and supervision of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor, things have been unfolded in a very, very smart manner and very beautifully. A long way to go, but I'm sure with all our cooperation we'll be able to achieve the dream projects that we've all been imagining about. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Honorable Member of Parliament, Meenakshi Lekhi ji, Chairman NDMC Dharmendra, officers, members of the Council, officers of NDMC. Indeed, I am extremely impressed. Congratulations. You have really done a super thing by coming out with this smartest of ways to monitor the delivery of services, and wherever there is a problem, wherever there is a need for attention, that can be immediately sorted out. So this is what you have got and you've started operating. So don't think, I don't want to be a spoiler, but let me tell you one or two things. Number one, the smarter the equipment, the more complicated and important need of upkeep and maintenance. So please, for God's sake, start building up manpower, human resource which is going to manage it. It is easy to acquire because everything comes in a package deal. get set down and also operated. But thereafter, to maintain it, मेरी आपको सच में सलाह होगी कि अभी से आप ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की स्किलिंग कराइए. मुझे मालूम नहीं आपके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आपने कुछ टाइम दिया है सप्लायर को टू डू O&M or not. It is always wise to keep the supplier for a while for upkeep and maintenance. But that's your choice. I'm not trusting anything on that. So that's, I think, now should be your main worry, and you should handle it as quickly as possible. It will be actually a shame that a smart thing is done and then immediately after 3 months or 4 months you find this is not working, that's not working, and all that smartness then starts looking ugly. The other thing that I would suggest is that please, for God's sake, treat whole of Delhi as one city and not just an island known as the NDMC. So I would recommend, Dharmendra, please call your colleagues from other corporations. Let them have a look what this technology is. It is not necessary that they take the whole package, because I know whole package is expensive, and but for the help of the Smart City mission, you may or may not have been able to acquire it. I don't know, but you can always break down and open up the whole package and take what is important for you. So maybe they take this learning from you and start in a small way for important things to begin with, what they can afford. So please do invite your colleagues from other corporations, let them have a look. They would get ideas and then they'll work out their own requirements. So that's the other thing. It's a very good beginning, indeed a very good beginning. I'm impressed. But I think it's high time NDMC should also start looking for getting its credit worthiness in the market. Maybe sometime to come on, you need money, so you can raise bonds once you have credit worthiness, which means you should have a proper accounting system. You can then go to the market and raise bonds. Many corporations in the country are raising bonds. I know it, and I'm sure you also know it. So look at that. Supposing tomorrow there is no money coming forward for upkeep or maintenance or some other project that you want to take, now is the time to get your credit worthiness through an expert in the field, so that you can approach Government of India in the Ministry of Finance to allow you to float bonds. Then I'm also impressed by looking at the new sports complex that you've built up. I am personally very fond of sports, so nothing delights me more than seeing a smart tennis court and boys and girls playing there. So it is not only good for physical fitness, but also it will help them becoming one of the stars of future. Maybe, who knows, there is a Vijay Amritraj produced here, or there is a this lady who's doing so well in badminton. So I think we have players, we have so many in what is known as bow and arrow, whatever is that called in the, finally those. But I mean, there's boxing, there are all kinds of sports that India has now started emerging at the international level. So once again, great idea. Again, please maintain it. And that's it. Thank you very much for inviting me. I am absolutely delighted that these two facilities, at least in New Delhi, would be utilized, and people will, all of them will bless you, and I'm sure it will be very useful for them, both from the point of view of health and also sanitation and other activities that the NDMC services, the NDMC delivers. Once again, congratulations, and once again, thank you for inviting me on this very, very important occasion. I'm delighted to be amongst you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon CEO NDMC Smart City, Dr. B.M. Mishra, sir, to give a vote of thanks and conclude the function.
Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, श्री अनिल बैजल जी, आदरणीय सांसद, नई दिल्ली लोकसभा क्षेत्र श्रीमती मीनाक्षी लेखी जी, हमारे एनडीएमसी के आदरणीय चेयरमैन श्री धर्मेंद्र कुमार सर, एनडीएमसी के रेस्पेक्टेड सेक्रेटरी श्री अमित सिंगला जी एवं सभी गणमान्य अतिथिगण, इस अत्याधुनिक इंटीग्रेटेड कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर व पूर्ण रूप से विकसित शेरा मैदान स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड के आज इनॉग्रेशन समारोह में आप सबने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज की और हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय श्री अनिल बैजल सर, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर दिल्ली के द्वारा दिए गए ब्लेसिंग्स और इनॉग्रेशन के हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करते हैं। सर, हम आपको आश्वस्त करते हैं कि आपके दिए गए सुझाव इस इंटीग्रेटेड कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सेंटर के ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस के लिए या यहाँ के लिए कंटिन्यूअस ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करना या इस एनडीएमसी स्मार्ट सिटी लिमिटेड की क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस और मार्केट फ्लोटिंग सा बॉन्ड्स की दिशा में हम